Good evening, all. I hope my voice is audible. Okay, students, I request please inform your friends to join the session as soon as possible. So, we are starting for the day. Rakan sir, good evening. I hope my voice is audible to you.
Yeah. Good evening, ma'am. You are audible. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, you can start the session, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Hello. Good evening, everyone. How are you guys? All good? Yeah. Please inform your friend to join fast. Okay. Because today we have a like a online test. Okay. So I want like every person should be there. Okay. So otherwise, like if you are not present there, like you will face issue in getting your certification and all. Okay. So everybody, please join fast and inform your friend. Those who are not there, please. Yeah. Please inform your near and dear. How are you guys? Yeah, please inform fast. Okay, that's why I'm waiting. I don't want to you guys miss unnecessary this test. Okay, and face issue. Yes. Yeah, good. Please inform your friends, those who are present like in previous classes. Yes. Okay, so everybody can hear me, right? Yes, no? Please reply in the chat.
Yeah, yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay. So yes, yeah, please inform your friend guys so like to join fast. Yeah, I see very less attendance today, and today is a quite important day. So please join fast. Okay. Anyway, okay, I'm sharing my screen. Okay, and whatever am I explaining, okay, just watch carefully. Okay, and then after you have to attend to your test. Okay. So in few minutes, okay, I will be sharing one PDF file. Okay, everybody can see it. Okay, in this PDF file there is 100 questions. Okay, everybody can see. It's 100 question. I will share this file with you. Okay, in this meeting only. Okay, and there is a, like a HTML, CSS, JavaScript only basic questions is there. Okay, so what we have to do? Just suppose this is the question one. Okay, what is the HTML tag is used for the hyperlink? Okay, so whatever answer is correct, just suppose this is the one question for one, like this question is correct. Okay, maybe I am not sure, but this question is correct. Okay, so you have to mark it one, and this answer is B, option B. Okay, suppose question 2. Okay, this question, and for this answer option A is correct, option B is correct, who whatever the option is correct, you have to just mark it. Where you have to mark it, I am telling you, this is your test link. Okay, here you have to write your name, email, college, city, contact, and here you have to mark or your answer. Suppose this is the one question option is A, then after comma, two question option is B, then after comma, third question option is C, then after the fourth question option is D, right? In this manner, you have to mark up to 100. Okay, and at the after marking all the question, you have to submit it, right? Everybody got it? Yes, no? What you have to do? Yes, yes. Everybody got it? Yes, I think. Okay, so I am sharing this link with you in the chat. Yeah, ma'am will make sure like everybody will got this link. Okay, and I'm sharing the PDF file also. Just wait. Yeah, I have posted in the chat. Okay, your like the link to mark all the question and answer and your like name, email, everything, and the test question also. Okay, so everybody can do it. Okay, just tell me quickly in the chat. Everybody got the link and the question, right? Yes, yes. Tell me. Everybody got it? Yeah, and the duration for this test is like the 100 minutes. Okay, so 100 question for 100 minutes. Okay, everybody clear about what we have to do, right? So this is the 100 questions, and you have to like mark it. Suppose for option 1 A is correct, option B, option 2 B is correct in this manner. Okay, and where you have to mark? You have to mark in this link which I have sent it, where you have to fill all your name, email, everything, and at the last you have to mark up to 1 to 100 in this manner. One option A is correct, suppose two option B is correct. Okay, in this manner you have to mark all the things, and at the end you have to submit it. Okay, got it? Yes, no? Yeah, ma'am, can you make sure like everybody got the test link and the document which I have shared? Yes, everybody got the questions? Yes, tell me. Yeah, tell me in the chat. Everybody got it now, what you have to do, right? Yeah, guys, please reply in the chat. I can't see any messages in the chat. Why? You guys got it like what we have to do, right? So please start. Don't waste time. Okay, yeah, yes, yes. Please start. Ma'am, are you there? Can you check once? Manisha Kumari, okay? You don't have to send the answer in the chat, okay? Be careful while I am explaining like what you have to do, okay? Don't ask this kind of nonsense questions, okay? You got this link, right? In your chat box, okay? If you don't got, I'm sharing once again. So this is your like the basically for the attendance record where you have to go and fill your name, email, college city, and contact number. And here you have to mark your all questions. Just suppose one option is a like every time I will not explain. Okay, so once I am explaining, just get it and like start doing. Okay, every time people are joining late and ask for again and again to explain, so it's not possible. Second question is B correct, and third question is C correct. You have to mark in this way up to 100. Okay, and at the end you have to submit it. That's it. Okay, these things we have to do only. So please go ahead, everyone. Yeah, timing to submit like 8:50. Okay, 8:50 you have to submit. This is the last time to submit. Okay, before that, everybody makes sure 8:50 you have to submit. Okay, 8:50 is the last time. One more thing, guys. Don't do multiple submission. Okay, if you go there na, don't do multiple submission. Okay, after like pressing, after like replying for one questions, don't go for submit. Okay, just go and mark it up to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 10, up to 100. It will take up to 100. Okay, so mark up to 100, and then when you done up to the 100 question, then only submit. Okay, don't submit every time after one question, two question, three question. It's not like that. Once, like at one time, mark every question and then submit only. Got it? Okay. Hello everyone. I hope all are doing giving the test right. Yeah, today we have class also. Okay, how many of you are attending the test? Okay, most of the people are attending, right? Question or answer you have to mark it. Okay. Yeah, just give me 1 minute. So I hope like all are giving the test and all, right? Okay. So please give the test also. Okay. And now today like we have to discuss one more important concept. Okay. About like the React and all. Yes. And meanwhile, if you have any question, you can ask. Okay. Yes. Yes. And everybody, please submit it. Okay. I see like I haven't see any submission till now. I think. Let me check once. Okay. How many of you submitted the test? Can you tell me? Okay. Good. Good. Okay. 46 response I received. Okay. Please keep submitting your test. Okay. Meanwhile, what we'll do now? We'll discuss about one chatbot. Okay. How we can create a chatbot. Okay. By using Gemini API. Right. Okay. Yes. Yes. Take some time like 10 12 minutes and then after we'll start. Okay. Complete this test. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Those who join late, please you can discuss with your friend like what task I have given and like what they have to do. Yes. Yes. Just give me a minute. Today we'll discuss about 2 3 project. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Totally on React. Okay, try to submit your test. Okay, it's not like that much stuff, so it will. I don't think it should take that much time, but I have given enough time. Okay, now we should like start discussing the other things also. Okay, so now today what we'll do now? We'll create one chatbot. Okay, I am explaining you how you can do npm run dev. Okay, let me start this. Okay, everybody back to the screen. Okay, everyone. Yeah, you can mark it later on also. No issue. Okay, link with you guys only. Okay, so just see everybody focus here. Okay, everybody. Yes, yes. Whoever busy with the like the test and all. Okay, just you can stop it and you can mark it later on also because I have given enough time. Okay. Yes. Yes. Everybody, please be back. Yes. Everybody, please be back. I'm trying to reply every individual at most. Okay. So now in this course, in this chatbot, what's happening? Okay. It's like your chat GPT and other chatbot, whatever you are seeing, it's similar to like all other things. Okay. If you ask something, now, capital of India, right? If you ask capital of India and generate answer, okay. Sorry, something went wrong. Please try again. Okay. About HTML. Okay, it's not generating. Okay. Maybe the token has expired. Here we are using some token. Okay, so let me. Okay. Let me try with the other tokens. Okay. I'm explaining how you can do these things. Okay. So suppose, okay, I go on another thing. I'm explaining everything, guys. Just be here. There is a API key which I am using. Let's check again. Hi. Sorry, something went wrong. Why something went wrong to this? What's happening? There's some issue in the API. Maybe let me check once again. Mhm. Some error in Axios or something. Okay, got it. Okay, just give me a minute. I'm checking with another project. Yeah, just 1 minute, guys. Okay. Okay. Everybody can see my screen, right? So I'm starting this project npm. Yeah, let me reload this. Why it's not saying anything? Okay. What's happening to this? Okay. So everybody can see here. Okay. So we have created one agent. Okay. It's called the voice assistant. So it will work according to your assistant. We'll see like how we can create this kind of project. Okay. Right. So if I ask him, like, if I click it, okay,
Listening. Please give me a command.
can you open the YouTube?
Searching Google for can you open the YouTube?
Okay. So it will open the YouTube. Right. Okay. If you ask some other command,
Listening. Please give me a command.
can you open the Instagram?
Searching Google for Instagram.
Okay. So means what's happening now, whatever command you are giving, okay, it will take you on the, yes, it will take you on the, okay, see, everybody got it, like how it's working, right? Whatever you are asking, it will check on the Google and it will give you the respected result, right? It is the main functionality of this UI. Okay, previously like we are looking for on the chatbot, okay, but there is some issue in the like the token or something. I will fix it, like, and we'll discuss these things on coming classes. Okay, so now we'll discuss about the React voice assistants, how we'll create this. Okay, so in this what's happening now, whatever you are asking, it
Listening.
will take you on the Google.
Please give me a command.
Please open WhatsApp.
Opening WhatsApp.
So it will open WhatsApp, right? So whatever you are asking, it will check on the Google and it will give you respond accordingly, right? So let's see like what's happening in this and like whatever the things required in this. Okay. Okay, before that, okay, we stop here for one break, okay, and for like 7-8 minutes, and then we'll back and discuss about these things. Okay. So everybody go have some like the tea, coffee, and everything, and those who are in between the test, please, you guys, if you want, you can complete it. Okay. Yes. And after this, we will discuss. Okay, everybody please back. Okay, we are going to discuss about these things. Yes, yes, I hope everybody back. Just reply in the chat, everyone. Just reply me in the chat, everyone, please. I will stop sharing to see your text. Okay. Everybody back here, right? I think. Okay. Yes, yes. Be fast, be fast. Can we start? Yes, can we start now? Okay. Now we discuss about this voice assistance, right? If you ask anything, it will take you on that page, okay?
Listen. Please give me.
Yeah, please open the NDTV news channel.
Searching Google for please open the NDTV news channel.
Okay, got it the functionality. Now we'll discuss like how we can achieve this, okay? So for this, we have created one component, okay, for component name is voice assistance, okay? And in app.js, basically we are importing this, right? Everybody got it up to this point, right? We are accessing basically this component which we have created, in which what we are using. Okay, it's started from here. Okay, so basically you are using React. Okay, importing React, and we are using some state here. Okay, so there is some state. Okay, now then after what we are doing, here is a text to a speech. Suppose if you are writing something, okay, or like suppose if you are speaking something, so that thing will convert it in the text format and it will go to the browser. There is a speech sync utilizer. Okay, it will whatever you speak to the, it will go in the form of text to the browser and it will work accordingly. Okay, so data speak is doing these things. Okay, so window dot a speech and a speak alters and the utterance and the onnet. Onnet basically what it does now, it's enable the like the sound in your browser. Okay, it's open give a option to open the mic and everything in your browser, right? So these things are doing by this function. This is called const speech. Okay, then after we have a handle command. Okay, so whatever command you are giving, okay, so suppose let URL and message. Suppose if you are giving command, there's a some command I have given by default. If you ask for open YouTube, it will take you to the open YouTube. Okay, if he ask you to some like open Google or something, it will open Google. If you ask for open Facebook, it will open Facebook. Okay, if you ask for like open Facebook, it will opening Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. I have given some by default command. Okay, otherwise if the any other command will not match in the like the if else condition, it will directly go to the else. In else what will do, it will go to the Google and select your encoding URL command. Okay, which we are coming from here. Okay, if you search it. Okay, okay, whatever encoding command you are giving now, it search it, encode it, and it follow the command basically. Okay, so command, you can see the command is coming from here. Okay, handle command. So whatever you are giving, it's follow the command and it will go to the Google at the last, and at the end, at the int result, it will send you like a speak command and give you a response in a 1 second. Okay, here we have given time. Okay, it will respond in a 1 second. Then after what's happening, if you click on it, if you click on it here now, there is a sound, okay, which is called
Listening.
start listening.
Please give me a command.
Okay, so that things are happened by this start listening. Okay, it's a bit,
Searching Google for
yeah,
and
it,
things are happened by the start listening. Okay.
okay, just stop here. Okay, it's a start listening something like it has a start searching. Okay, so I stop it. So basically, whatever you are speaking, okay, it's basically like catching that sound by clicking on these things, okay, and recognizing everything and connected to the web socket, okay, which is used to recognize the sound and all, and giving you a alert message that we are working on it, okay. So basically, these things are performed by this task, okay. Then after, yeah, Then after they are recognizing, okay, it is used to like recognize like whatever you are speaking, okay. So it's make sure by ENUS is your on. Basically ENUS what makes sure now, like whatever you are typing and whatever you are asking, it makes sure like that will be readable in the font whatever you are speaking, okay. So that makes sure by this function, okay. And then after there like your on result, okay, it makes your like your result will be disappear on the screen in the within this time, okay. So it is checking for all these things. And at the end, okay, there is a button, okay, it's a handle button where you are clicking the things. This is the band button, okay. So where you are clicking, this is about the like the all the functionality. Now you go to the JavaScript, okay. Sorry, go to the React things, React in the HTML section, okay. The first is you can see the React voice assistant. So this is the React voice assistant you can see. And here we have given some the inbuilt like the functionality, like the CSS thing by Tailwind CSS. And here we are giving the like if you are writing some command, so please give a command and process your command, so it will come in your UI, right. Then after what's happening here, then after it's happening like yes, handle button command and everything, and it will display you, okay, is listening or not listening. It will give you something like this, okay. Then after there is a like some UI is things is there. It will check and respond accordingly, and whatever the response you are getting, it will come in the response section. That's it. That the things is working here. Basically you have created your one voice command, okay. Whatever you will assign the task, it will work accordingly, okay. So what I want from you guys now, just try this, okay. I am sharing the whole code, okay. Okay, so I am sharing the whole code in your chat. Just what we have to do, just copy it and try to implement it, okay. Just create a React app, and where we have to create one component which is called voice assistant, okay. And just try to implement these things. Just take a try, okay. If you can do, it's okay. If you can't do, it's also okay. At the end I will share the code and everything, but just what I want you guys to just take a try for this, okay. Okay, I've shared in the chat, I think. Okay, it's exceed the limit, okay. Okay, I can't share these things in the chat, okay, because it's exceed the limit of the sending the chat, okay. So I will share it, okay, no need to worry, okay. Then after it's a one project, okay, okay. So how many of you guys find this is like the interesting, you can implement it and add in your portfolio and all? Yes, tell me, how many of you guys finding this it's quite interesting for you? Yeah, I will provide. Yes. How many of you finding this is like the useful to you? You can add in your like the yes, yes, you can add in your like the portfolio and all, and it will be like good, look good to you. Yes, yes, tell me, like how many of you guys finding this useful to you? Yes, okay. You guys should try this, okay? I will give the code and everything. I have explained you all the things, and I will share the same, okay? So you guys can also implement by yourself. Yes, yes, yes. Please reply. Okay. Got it, everyone? Yes, no. So the main motive of to explaining you these things now, to like give you like a small demo of like how agentic AI and all things are working. They all are working in the same manner, and then all are designed by the same manner, but some tools and everything is quite different. Okay, but the like the core and basic thing is the same, right? In chat GPT and some other AI assistants also working like the same, right? Whatever task you are asking, they are going to the Google and searching all the information and giving you, right? Yes. Am I right? What I'm trying to say, you guys are getting or not? Yes. Exactly the same. Like the whatever the things you see on your chat GPT, in chat GPT and some other things, or everywhere there is a voice command, right? So whatever you will ask, it will catch the information and it will act accordingly, right? Suppose I am opening one voice assistant. Just wait and showcase to you how the things are related to each other. Just wait. Okay, so I'm opening ChatGPT. Okay, just start with the ChatGPT. So you can see there is also a voice assistant. Okay, whatever you will ask, it will catch the information, convert into text, and start working. Right, the same thing is doing. Okay, just see. So it's asking the information also, like asking the permission. So allow this time. Okay, done. Now see. Just create a HTML form. Okay, where we need a input like the four input image, name, and contact. That's it. Done. Let's see what's happening. It catches the sound and it's converted into text. Okay, now see, just create a HTML form and we need a input form like the image, name, and create. Okay, and then after it's working, like the same thing happening there also, right? Whatever the text, whatever the command you are giving, okay, that converting into the text, and then after giving the information. Okay, yes, you can create this kind of project. Okay, and you can integrate with your like your project, like whatever you are creating. Yeah, whatever assignment and everything we're creating, right? Don't you think that the same functionality is in this project also, right? Whatever you are asking, suppose.
Listening. Please give me a command.
Can you open like the,
Searching Google for can you open like the
okay, can you open like the, it's directly opening. Okay, just wait.
listening.
Can you
Please
open
give
the,
me a
yeah,
command.
Copilot? Yeah, it's recognizing also. Can you open like, right? Same thing happening. Just once, try once more, okay? Yeah. Can you open,
Listening.
can you
Please
open,
give me a command.
yes, can you open encyclopedia page?
Searching Google for open encyclopedia page.
You see, like it's converted whatever you have said, it converted in the text, okay, and then searching on the Google for the encyclopedia, and then after it's given the result, right? Yes, no. Okay, guys, do you find this thing cool? Yes, no. And I see like most of the people haven't submit till now like the test and all response. Okay, I see very less response there. Yes, very less response. Done. Yes, no. Okay. Then after we discuss one more project. Okay, which is called, yes, chatbot. Okay, so it is suddenly it has start working. Okay, so token is working right now, fine. Okay, so if I ask hi, how are you? Okay, just see the reply. Okay, loading answer. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How are you today? Okay, I'm asking capital of India, and it will give the response like New Delhi, right? Whatever you will ask, it will give the response. Okay, suppose I will ask like, what is React dot JS, and let's see. Loading your answer, it may take up to 10 seconds. Yeah, it's given the all the response like what is React and everything, right? Cool. Let's see how this working. Okay, it's look like your chat GPT. Okay, but both are the different version. Okay, this is only for the text, or this is only for the voice, and if you combine completely, then it will become your chat GPT, right? In chat GPT we have both, like we can write text or all the things also, or we can upload the file also. Okay, these things are not integrated in our project, but we can upload file. But here is like the text and all are given, right? You can give the voice command and everything we can give. Yeah. So let's see how that project which we are discussing about the chatbot, how it's working basically. Okay. So this is the code for these things. Okay. So before going to all these things, okay, we have to get it understand like how we'll get this API. Okay. This is one particular API which we are using here. Okay. So how we can get this. Okay. And here, if you see this in this part, there is a API key. Okay. So we have to check it how all the things are working. Okay, in one API key you can give a like a 10 or 20 request. Okay, and then after it will not working, then after it's not working, if you'll get a like a not respond or something, like previously you were getting, in that time we have to create a new API key and put it here, and it will work same. Okay, so let's see how the things is working. Just go there. What you have to open now? Okay, just I have bookmark. You have to open Google AI Studio. Okay, what is Google AI Studio? I'm telling you. And then after we have to open one more page. Use Gemini API. Okay, both are on the same page. Okay, so no need to worry from where we'll find out the things. Okay, yes, you have to go down, and that's it. Okay, so let's see what we have to do. How will reach on this Google AI Studio? Okay, just go on the Google and write it Google AI Studio. Okay, so they have all the API of the Google and everything, and we have to open this. Okay, Google AI Studio, or the meanwhile you can open this also. Google AI for developers, you can open this also. Okay, I am sharing this link to everyone. Control C and pasting in the chat. Okay, so make sure everybody will get it. Yes, I have sent it in the chat also, so everybody can get it, right? So this is your page, and what you have to do now, if you don't have a account, okay, so you can sign in by Google AI Studio, or mine is already signed, so you can see like my name and everything is there. Okay, so basically what you have to do now, here you have to go and get API key, you have to create it. Okay, so it will take you on this page. Okay, might be it will take some time. Yeah, here I have already created one project. Okay, so that's why it's showing me already. If you don't have any project, create an API key, or you can. Okay, here you have to select one project. Okay, Google Gemini API. Okay, and then after create an one more API, here we have to write your name, your key, so you can write it like project 2 or something. Okay, and here you have to select. Okay, create one project or import project, something you can write it, and here you will get an option to search it. Okay, So here I want this one, Gemini API key. Okay, done. Okay, here you get the option and just click on it, create API. You can see you will get a new API key. Okay, this one is the new API key, I think, right? Just now I created. Okay, and it's the free tier. If you click on it, you'll get this link. Okay, right. Okay, you got the key and everything. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to go for the like the how we integrate the things and everything. Okay, for this we have to go to change logs and dashboard. Okay, for you have to again go back to the dashboard. Okay, in dashboard what will happen, you will get the documentation. Click on documentation. Okay, and here we get to know about like how to integrate the things and everything. Okay, Gemini, a developer API, will get to everything. How we can write in Python, JavaScript, Go, Java, and REST. And right now we have to work on REST. Okay, so this is your like the API. Okay, this is your API key. This is your basically the URL, and after this you have to press your like the API key, and that's it. Okay, okay, and you will get the your URL. It's little bit complicated, those who are new. Okay, and here you can write the command and everything, and you will get the explanation accordingly, like what you needed. Okay, if you want to check that API now, you can check it also. Just I will show you how you can do it. Yeah, just copy this. Okay, up to this point, right? And go to the Thunder client. Okay, Thunder client is an extension of VS Code where you can test the API like the you are testing in the Postman and all. Okay, just paste it. Okay, and it's a post command, so write it the post. Okay, and go to the body. Yeah, JSON head, not header. You have to go in the body and write the things. Okay, what you have to write, like what command you want to send. So you have to copy up to this point and go there and paste it. Okay, and content and everything is there, so I think it's not in the proper format or something. Mhm. Okay, some arrow or something is missing, I think, right? These things are closed here and these things are below this. That's good. And after this we need a comma. Okay, getting little bit issue here. Just let me check like what is written here properly. Just I'm checking, huh? Just wait 1 minute. Okay. Mm, yeah. Okay, so there is some little bit of font. Okay, So whatever you are writing now, it should also in the main object format. Okay, so I think this will work perfectly. Okay, let me copy once more. And for this we have to take one object, and inside this we have to put it everything, right? I think. Yes. Okay, so now it should work properly, I think. But don't know how why it's giving me error. Okay, just try to send the response. Okay, invalid URL or something. Mhm. Okay, just give me 1 minute, huh? I'm checking. Go over there and okay, now cool, it's working. Okay, everybody back. We are missing one bracket, that's why it's happening. Okay, please be back. Sorry for your disturbance. Okay, so we are missing basically this bracket. Okay, that's why it's happening. Okay, now we write it in the body and everything, and we have write it like explain how AI works in the few words. Okay, and send the response. Okay, so we'll get a response something like okay model and a stop, and we'll get the things like how the things is working, about the AI learns how to fast data make protection. It's giving response. Okay, in this place if you write some other things, yeah, like about Canada in few words. Let's say. So it will give you respond about the Canada, how it's working. Okay. The potential cold winter and everything is there. Okay. So it will give you the things like this. Okay. So you got it how this API will work. Okay. Basically, I want to show this like how this API is working. It's not like only like the fetching the API and all. Basically, I want to see like how the API is working on the post request. Okay. So got it. Okay. So we are using this Google Gemini API. Okay. And where we are putting the like the token and everything which I have told you, right? Now let's see like how these things are working. Okay, everybody clear up to this point, right? Yes, no? Yes, yes. Yeah, just sorry for that disturbance actually. Okay. Yeah. Apart from these things, everything is clear. Like, okay, you guys got it like how the API is working and how is creating the response basically, right? Clear up to this point, everyone? Okay. Got it? Now let's come here. And then after what I want to do, I'm importing Axios here. We are using Axios, and then after using React and all the things. And then after what we are doing, we are using some state to update the state and everything. Okay. And then after we are using a generate answer. Okay. Generate answer is a like we have created one function. And here like now, whenever you submit these things, submit the form. Okay. This one. Okay. Right. Generate answer. This is your button where we have to, it trigger that things generate function. Okay, when you are generating function, when you are clicking it, the all things are happening. Okay, all things are happening inside this. Can you see? Okay, and let's see like what's happening. It's a event dot prevent default is preventing the by default nature of the form, and then after setting the answer, like whatever you are getting, it's setting the answer here, and then after the set answer and loading all the component and everything. Okay, and it's showing this answer also, like loading your answer, and int it may take up to the 10 seconds. Okay, whenever you are searching, you can see here. Okay, right now I will not press that much, otherwise again my token will expire. Okay, and then after we are like fetching the information by Axios, and that is the API which we are using, which I show you also like how it's working. Okay, then after what we are doing now, we are passing the things in the content. Okay, content in part, and here takes your questions. Okay, takes means like we are passing the information by dynamic method, not in the manually. Where here like what we are doing now, if you go there now, okay, in the Thunder clients. Okay, just this one. So here we are passing the like the by default questions. Okay, by default we put like about the Canada in few words and all the things. Okay, but here we are passing the like the dynamic question. Any user can come and put their question, and that will go there. Okay, and then after we are like pulling the information, all the things, and setting information in set answer. And if you are getting some error or something, so this error, these things will come up. Okay, and then after you are generating false. Okay, like whatever information you are getting, we are like making these things. Okay, this is things close, or and you can generate it false because we have started the use state with the false. Okay, got it. Okay, then after like we have created one form. Okay, in form we are calling the generate answer. This is called generate answer we are calling. And then after we have created one text area which is called text area. This is your text area. Okay, and where you have put it the all the question, like whatever you are asking, your question get triggered from here, like whatever the value you are putting in the text area, it get triggered from here, and on change you are setting the question, whatever the things you are asking, and then after it's creating the answer by generate answer button, right? Whenever you are clicking on it, it's triggering the generate answer. So that is the whole scenario. Okay, now what the things I want to add in this now, we have created it. Okay, but it was done. Now we have created these things. Okay, but now it's these things now, this chatbot is only working for me because I am running this in localhost. If I will send to you, yeah, if I will send to you, it will not working. Okay, if you check it, it will not working to you, right? So for this what we have to do, we have to deploy also. Okay, so let's see how we can deploy the React project. Okay, for this we have a one command, build command. Okay, which we have to run. Npm, okay, it will create a build command. Okay, it's creating your build file. Okay, I will explain what is the build file and what is inside the build file. Okay, so it has created one file. Okay, which is called dist here. Okay, if you are going with this is the dist, I think, right? Yeah, this is the dist. Okay, so basically in this file what we have now, yeah, this file it is created, and in this dist what we have a basically index.html, and whatever the things you are writing here in the style and everything, it's get like implemented in the HTML, and you can directly upload this file and you will get the UI. Basically the dist file is basically like the combination of whatever you have in your project now. It has created one file and you can use it accordingly and you can deploy it. I will show you how you can deploy this. Okay, so I will deploy this in like Netlify. Okay, so I will open the Netlify. I open this. Okay, so I will go with the sign up. We already have a registered user in this email ID. Okay, we are already registered, so we go with the login, I think. I don't know what's happening to this. Okay, just click on getting started. Let's see what's happening. So sorry, let me check what's happening there. Hmm. Email is working fine. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, let me log in with this. Getting started. Okay, and let me log in with the email. Okay, if they are asking for. Okay, login. Already have an account. Login directly. Okay, login with email. Okay, and I'm just putting this information. Just be there for some time. I'm just stop sharing for writing down the password and all. So I put it my email and then after the password. Okay, it's login now. Okay, so I am sharing my screen. Okay, in this account I have already so many projects. Who's asking in browser or something? First login with Gmail. Okay, I'm doing, but I don't know it's restricting me because it's a free service now. So in free, like there is some restriction they put. Okay, so by default it's login. Okay, right now. Now what we have to do? We have to go to add project and deploy manually. Okay, and here we have to drag the file. Which file we have to drag it and put it here? Like your dist folder. Okay, basically you have to take drag the dist folder and paste it there. Okay, so from where we'll get it? This folder, my dist folder in the chat bot. Okay, here we have created the dist folder. Okay, so basically what we'll do, we just go there and drag it here. Yes, and wait for some time. Okay, please do not refresh. We are uploading the thing. Okay, and let's see it's working or not. Sometime in React, maybe it's created some issue. See. Okay, it's working fine, right? Got it? Yes, no. And for this link, we can use it. Okay, just give me a minute. Code and everything. Okay, suppose I have deployed this like the in cloud and all. Okay, suppose like I want to share this code to you. Okay, so for me every time sharing this code in like the file and all, it's like quite tough. Okay, so for this there is a cloud storage. Okay, there are so many cloud storage, but one it is like quite famous, which is called GitHub. Okay, might be few of you guys know about this, and most of and the remaining people don't know also. So no need to worry. I will tell you how these things are working. Okay. So today I'm explaining like how it's working, and like in coming classes we'll discuss in detail like how the Git is working and how you can push the code and everything. Okay, this is called GitHub. Okay, so this is basically a open cloud storage where like the developer from all around the world can push their code and store their information in the cloud and they can share, right? Yes. So what's happening there? What's happening? Like suppose if you see this file structure now, it's too heavy. If you open this, okay, this one, okay, this is the main file, right? Okay, if you go there and chatbot and open this properties, okay, you can see it's take a like around 6.66 MB size. Okay, So if you want to share this kind of like a 200 file, okay, or suppose sometime if you want to share this kind of file like the 100, so it's a big challenge to you, like how you'll share this, right? So for this we have to store all the information. Suppose if you are working on your website or something, and it's like the file storage length is only like 5 GB, 10 GB. The every time to sharing 10 GB, it's quite challenging to you, right? Everyone, yes, no? Are you agree on my words or not? Yeah, just show me. Just tell me, not show me, sorry. Yes, so for this, like what we have to do, we have to store the information in the cloud. Okay. Yes. For storing the information, like suppose like what is the cloud and what is the things are doing there. Suppose when you want to go to rent out some house something, okay, in any other city or any other place, so what will happen there? Okay, they have some rule regulation, they will show some policy and something, they will ask some things, you have to pay the rent on time or something, they will ask all these things, right? Okay, if you are staying in your hostel or something, means what you are doing, you are using that place for some time, right? You are using that space for some time. The same thing happening in the cloud storage, anywhere in the cloud storage, or everywhere have the same role, okay, everywhere have the same functionality. You are using that particular space for some time. Some Yeah, I will explain you. I will explain you how to store a structure manner. Just let me complete. So anytime, whatever the things you see on the like cloud and everything, what's happening there? Some like cloud storage now, like quite good. Okay, they open their hearts by totally free. Okay, they some are providing like the totally free offer. Okay, you can go there, you can use their space, but you have to use in the decent way. Okay, some house owner what they did, they ask and charge for the money like AWS and other platform. They ask for money. If you want to use for the 5 minutes, they will charge for the money, right? And some are like if you want to use for the 5 years, use it, but don't spoil the place. Okay, you have to use in the good manner. Okay, so GitHub is one of them. Okay, they have the so many rules and regulations, so many commands. You have to follow all these things properly, but it's free. The main thing is it's free, and it's a very big ecosystem. Okay, so we have to like log in and everything. Okay, I will explain it. And we have to like configure the setup also. Yeah, we have to configure the git bash and everything in your terminal, and then after we can work it. Got it, everyone? Yeah, and then after by using a simple URL you can share your code anywhere. Okay, okay, you guys tell me. Okay, you guys tell me how many you have completed the today test. Just tell me your true answer, yes, no. I can check the response, but I want the response from you side at least first. Okay, how many have completed the today test? Yes. Yeah, attendance link will be there, I think, in the chat box. Yes. Okay, and how many of you not completed the test? Not complete. Please complete it, okay? How many have not completed? Okay. So those who completed, please type one. Those who not completed, please type zero. Yes, yes. Those who completed one, those who not completed, please type zero in the chat box. And those who not not get the like the submission link and the question, these people can type two, okay, in the chat box. Those who don't still not got the like the submission link of the file and the question of the file. Yeah. Okay, I will share once again so everybody can have it. Okay. So this is your link. Okay. This is your test submission link where you have to enter your name and everything, and you have to submit your all marks. Okay. And here I am giving the question paper also. This is the question paper. Okay, you got it? Yes. Okay, and please submit it. Okay. It's for you to check like how many you guys are learning or not. And these all are not like the random questions. These all are like the asked question in the TCS, Accenture, Deloitte. Okay, so these are all this kind of MCQ. So you guys can attempt it. Okay. If you once have submitted now, no need to submit multiple times. Okay. And it's one request to everyone. Okay. If once you have submitted, don't submit the form multiple times. Okay. Google form. Yes. Yeah. Anything more? Any doubt from anyone? Yeah. Yeah. Atharva, please ask. Okay. No. What PDF you have sent it? No need to send PDF. Not getting what you are asking. Okay. We are winding up for today. Okay, guys.
Yeah, thank you, sir. We'll meet again by tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Sorry, there will no session on tomorrow. We'll again meeting on Monday, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, so dear students, the sir has shared you the test link. So if you have not done it, you can just practice that test by tomorrow. So however, we don't have a session by Saturday and Sunday. So you can just read out the question and answer it. You can just practice it. So yeah, we'll wind up for the day. Thank you all for joining. I'm just reminding you all, please mark your attendance without any fail. Okay, yeah. Thank you all. Good night, everyone. Thank you for joining.